Okay, and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is project number 2 in the Wrapped in Cheer November 2025 paper pumpkin kit. We're making the next tag in the kit. So I need this piece, and I'm going to stamp the sending a little Christmas cheer from our home to yours. So I'm just going to ink this up. There we go. Okay, and then we're going to stamp this down just like this. Okay, and put that out of the way. I've got my bow, and I've got my mistletoe skinny, that's the skinnier leaves, and I'm going to turn that up like that. And this one will stay this way up, and I'm going to get my dots out, my adhesive dots, and I'm going to put those down. Okay, and I need to put another one on this one, like right here, and I think that's it. Oh no, I've got one more over here. Okay, and then on this one I need another one down here on this leaf, and on this leaf, and on this leaf. And with these, don't worry if you go over the edge a little bit, because you can always roll it back on itself. Now I need a dimensional to go in the middle of the bow. Okay, so then I'm going to take this one, flip it over, take this one and peel all my backings off like this. Okay, this one went a little bit over the edge, so I'm going to make sure that I just roll that back on itself. Peel this one off. Okay, this is going to go down over top of this one, and we can line up those two big circles at the top just like that. Okay, and that looks about right. Okay, and then I need to take this and I need to flip it over, and I need to take my linen thread and I need to tie this in a bow at the top. So let's do that. I'm going to do the same thing again, where I actually tie it in a knot and then tie the bow. Just helps it keep the thread just that little bit tighter. And if you're finding that things are floating around and you want to hold them down just a little bit more, just put something heavy on it, like your tweezers or something like that. Just holds things together while you're trying to do what you need to do. Because sometimes if you're trying to tie a bow on something that's really light, it just keeps moving. So, okay, so we've got our bow done. So now I need to take the backings off this. And one more. And this goes down, I'm assuming pretty close to the top here, like this. Okay. And I've still got this one adhesive dot there, so I just peeled that off because that one sticks out over the top. So I may have I'm not entirely sure why I put a glue dot there, but anyway. So now I'm going to take my bow, and I'm going to put my bow right there like that. And that's this one pretty much finished, except for our little berries here. And it looks like one goes here. They're pretty hard to see. And one goes here. And then we're going to Where's Waldo to find the next one. Oh, and it goes over here. Okay. There we go. And I'm not going to put one in the bow here like I did on the other tag. Again, if you wanted to put this one on a box, you're going to put your 3 dimensionals down the back, put this on the top, and then you've still got the ability to put your writing on the back. So that is the 2 projects in the kit, including how to make the box, which we covered in the first video. So we are going to go ahead and do our first alternate card. our alternate project. And I think most of them are going to be cards, quite frankly. I think most of them are going to be cards because I need more Christmas cards than I need tags. But just keep in mind that Cyber Monday promotion from December 1st to 9th, where you can save anywhere from, say, $30 to $100 on your Paper Pumpkin subscription. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.